Hi, I'm Tyler Anderson, founder and CEO of Casual Fridays. I started Casual Fridays in early 2009, and despite all of social media's growth and popularity, here it is 2012, and I'm still putting together a video telling businesses not only why they need to be in social media, but why they need to be active on it. For those of you who still don't quite understand the power of social media, let's start there. The rules of marketing have changed. You see, people are bombarded with advertisements, and technology that we have now has given them the means to avoid them. Television, radio, print, they're facing huge obstacles to reach people for marketing and advertising purposes. I don't know about you, but I personally don't watch my favorite TV shows at the times that the networks intend for me to watch them anymore, except for maybe some live sporting events. And I'm not alone. 90% of people skip ads while watching TV with DVRs or TiVo. As for people who like their music, well, now they have a slew of options outside of their local radio station. Between iPods, satellite radio, Spotify, iHeartRadio, and Pandora, there are countless ways for people to get their music without their advertisements. As for good old-fashioned newspapers and magazines, well, nowadays the news finds us in RSS readers and through our friends' news feeds across social sites. You see, it's not just marketing anymore, it's communicating and building relationships. And all these social networks give every person and every business a platform to do it. Social media is everywhere. It's a staple in the day-to-day activity of most people's lives. They use it first thing when they wake up, they use it throughout the day, and they use it before they go to bed. It's always evolving. That's why it's important for your company to embrace it and master it. And if you can't, then hire somebody who can. Because if you don't, you'll be left behind. People of all types and all ages use social media, and they use it everywhere. I could rattle off a bunch of mind-blowing statistics, but I'll just give you a few. Over 71% of the United States web population is on Facebook, with over 400 million active mobile users, and almost 2,900 tweets are sent every second. Now you're probably wondering, does this reach my customer? It's highly likely that it does. 3 out of 4 Americans use it, and over 93% of the users of social media believe a company should have a presence in it. But be careful. There is a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. And unfortunately, we see many more businesses doing it the wrong way. Just being on social media is not enough. You have to be engaging. You need to play nice in the social media sandbox. Social media is not a monologue. It's supposed to be a conversation. Remember, it's not a new advertising channel for you to use. It's a way for you to connect and engage with your current and new customers. Besides, people don't trust ads anymore anyway. People buy when they are ready to buy, and social media is an awesome tool to help that process. If you are interested in how Casual Fridays can help you with your online and social media initiative, I encourage you to connect with us. You can definitely get a free social media evaluation. Just go to our website to get that. Thanks for your time.